Hey, this is Matt with 911R, and we have this 965, which is the 964 Turbo. And this car has 6,900 miles on it, and it was sold originally to our client at the 75th anniversary Porsche sale back at the Experience Center in Georgia. That gentleman was a doctor up in the Northwest. The car was stored with Tom Papadopoulos with Autosport Design for most of his life. So the doctor had three of these cars at the time. We spoke with him at length yesterday about the car. The car is in beautiful black on black interior and exterior. Our client that locally bought it, he put on the Porsche Speedline wheels. These have the script here, the stampings, and all the stuff. They're like brand new. We also put on brand new tires on the car, so it's currently has all of its services up to date. Oil's been changed, brakes have been flushed, everything's all ready to go on the car. The inside of the car has a couple unique things. Mainly is this special order, exclusive order piping on the seats. It has the supple leather. The mods that were done to it, it has the stereo upgrade, it has the Porsche PCM, classic stereo, which is really nice. It has the built-in Valentine 1 radar detector system in it, which is again another nice modification upgrade. The rear panels back here, you can see have been changed with speaker panels in, and we also have leather rear panels if anybody wanted to take those out and take it back to stock. So I mean, the car is really in pristine condition. Um, the car is, hasn't been painted. It's all been paint metered. Everything's in the auction. You can see it does have exhaust modification to it, like most of these do, because it really opens them up and they sound so much better. They're very, very quiet stock. Again, all stock, everything's all serviced. We just put on new belt on it, changed the alternator pulleys when we serviced that all. The AC has been serviced, it blows all nice and cold. Again, very, very original, less than 7,000 mile original mile car. You can see the dash, everything's all leather on this car. We got power seats on both sides. You can tell also the car is really been well maintained and not driven hard or any miles on it because the brake calipers are red and they're all still nice and bright. They haven't been refinished. It's exactly how they are. They fade really bad on cars that have been driven a lot or ever been on the track. This is a very, very rare example of a 965, with the 7,000 miles, the black, the little special touches that were added at the factory. Not many of these ever produced. So this is the one to get. And if you have any questions, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to answer any questions and help you out. Thank you.